we'll see each other on the streets, man. We are street kids.
The bananas, right?
And then the climbing starts. Maybe we need to start paying attention to it.
I hope you actually enjoyed all the hills.
Takuziwa ndiwe. Thank you. So which way are we going? Let's go.
I don't know.
Right, folks!
Yes.
It's the 100 before 40 and beyond. We are noisy and we know it. We are going to make so much noise. Today, folks, and the Fambin Day, guys. Let's start from the right, as usual.
Right, folks. 100 before 40 and beyond. Welcome to your favorite channel. Yes, we said it. Your favorite channel. We're here. We're in Midrand. It's the Waterfall City Half Marathon. And yeah, I'm running up north today. Apparently this is good for my training because
High altitude. It's going to see fire.
Yeah. All right,
Let's see how it goes. Let's go this side. Mitzi, you've been missing in action forever.
Good morning, good people. Yes, I've been missing in action since Comrades. This is my first race.
Oh, there you
go.
Welcome
We were
back.
just supporting from the couches. But hey, we will have to get up from the couches and get back to the road again. We are back. We are starting to train. Probably we'll see you in Cape Town.
He's
for the
training
first
for
marathon.
the There's Biggs. He doesn't come for fun runs. He starts to train.
There we go. But forget about the sub-Q that Farai is talking about. Farai has been doing so much of the 21Ks. We have been doing the 21Ks on the couch.
He's not succumbing to peer pressure. I was trying to pressure him to
Thank
run
you.
a sub-2, but
It's not going to happen today. He said we must have fun, and we're going to have fun today. That's all we're here for, huh?
let me tell you what's happening for me. It's going back to the basics. Another long run. I was supposed to be here at 6 o'clock and run 10K before the race started, but I was late.
That sounds to be a familiar story.
So-
I was late. It's a familiar story.
In fact, Nixie should have introduced me as, and here we have the late Farah.
Yeah, that's right.
So let's see how it goes. So what that means is I may have to go up and down to make up those extra 10Ks, or I'll go for the extra 10Ks at the end of the race. Okay, let's go.
Right.
And here, folks, I see my sister-in-law here, straight from Kampala, Entebbe, or maybe in Zambia. Enjoy. All right, let's go. No, Ugali is the other side. This is Matoke. Yeah.
The bananas, right?
And then the climbing starts. Maybe we need to start paying attention. We need to start paying attention because all of a sudden, time, Okay, folks, we are good people. We are going to switch off. We can't show you people struggling up the hill, looking like there are problems. We are not going to do that. So we are about to switch off and climb the hill.
And we'll look nice after the year.
Exactly.
Oh, we're gonna make people look like
Yes. We'll put filters and all that. Yeah.
You heard the marshal, guys. So keep in the cones, eh? Keep in the cones, guys. What's up? We got another marshals here in Waterfall. Welcome, guys.
Cheers. Enjoy. If you catch up with number one, tell him well done. Thank you, Masha. So, what has happened is the short of it caught up with me. I thought the short of it was far ahead, but the short of it was behind.
I was looking for you.
Then
100 before 40.
we hit some 10 left, 21, 10 right. You would think that we're already the halfway, but we are not. I think we just hit 7K there. Then there was a split. But the 21s, you're welcomed by a massive hill, a long hill. I almost said a tall hill. That's how steep it is. Okay, so Brigitte was leading from the back. Let's hear what was happening there.
Right, folks. Yeah, you know, I think I have a stiff neck now. Or rather, it shouldn't be stiff because I was busy, you know, just stretching it, looking for Farai. And I couldn't find him. Tall as he is, unbelievable. Unbelievable scenes coming from this rain, from this race here. Like, honestly, this is unacceptable. I'm fumbling with my words because of this hill. I told you guys I'm running at altitude today, so I am going to hurt. But yeah, that's why we do it. We love it. Let's see how it goes. 100 before 40, back at you.
Yeah, I'm not so sure about looking for me everywhere. I'm literally standing out. You can see me from a distance. But then anyway, let's navigate this hill. And the golden rule, we try to switch off on these hills because people are looking like their problems. You know, the smiles you see, not very genuine.
We are forced to smile behind the studio at all times. We always live.
Anyway. So folks, we always create relationships. Do you remember Miss Reggie?
Yeah, I think
From
you
there,
tell you about me.
in the bush, at night.
Oh, you remember me?
And then she disappeared in the darkness of the night.
You left me behind.
But today, she's not going to disappear.
No. That car is not following me. That sailing car.
There's no pressure today.
No.
So how are you?
Doing good so far.
That's good. Look, easy does it. One step at a time, short steps, head down, and then you go to the top.
Definitely.
That's how you do it.
Okay then.
Anyway, good to see you.
Good to
see you.
Yes. So half the time we look like we're not paying attention. We do pay attention, guys. I'm telling you. Faces that we've seen before, we remember them very well. Not even faces. People like from the back, we're like, that is her.
Yes.
You know, that sort of thing. It was good catching up with Miss Reddy. We ran
Auto-Star night race.
Brigitte tried pacing her, and then he gave up and disappeared. You heard her saying, you left me.
Well, folks, we were chasing cutoff. Remember,
Yeah.
the three amigos rule
Yes.
is we still have to finish
Yeah.
within cutoff time
Of time, yeah.
for all three races.
And that was a 5:30
It was
cut
a
off.
5:30 cutoff,
Yeah.
so we didn't have the luxury of that 30-minute buffer,
Yeah.
so we had to push.
Yeah.
In fact, it was a sprint finish.
Yes. Yes. Not because of misread,
No.
because of our own problems.
We lost track of time in the dark.
Let's say hello to another familiar face. How's it, brother? How are you?
I'm alright myself.
Good to see you.
Alright.
How's it going so far?
It's fine.
It's good, eh? Yeah,
Sharp.
good. This thing is, oh, I see. Okay, confession time. So I was supposed to load my run and I didn't. Well, I tried to do it, but I couldn't because of, I don't know. In Shona we say Chadzimira, and I had a Chadzimira somewhere. So when I got here, I couldn't find it. So I just started any random run. And my watch said I should run 8 kilometers, 42 minutes. That's why it was going pee, 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 pee. You're
done.
I should have stopped. I'm done. So my watch is now probably confused. Like, where is this idiot going? At this point, it has become a standing with Tumisole. It's no longer a running with Tumisole. This is standing with Tumisole.
I've been sick. I've been out for 2 weeks, but I'm back on the road, and I have a cap to prove it. That
In runner's talk, that is called excuses.
How are you? Looking good, guys. Looking good.
Standing with Tumisole.
See you guys at the finish line.
Standing with Tumisole. It's a slippery slope, no bananas. No bananas. Of course, if it's the New York Marathon, we'll be telling you about, are they the barrels or barrows? Let's just get the terminology right.
The barrels.
The barrels, okay.
Yeah,
He said that, not
I
me.
said barrels. Yeah.
But there we go.
I don't know, so
You
barrels,
would be like
barrels.
hitting Kyalami, Woodmead, Midrand, and yeah. This is what the mayor has been failing to do, run Joburg. We are running Joburg. We started from the other side. Now we are here. They are all failing to run Joburg. So we are still at it. We're almost at 15k, and that's a sub 2:30 bus there. I'm not so sure whether they're still on time or not because I started right at the back. It looks like it's a match-to-match timing. But they seem to have it under control. So they should be on time. So the guys at the water point or the aid station are saying only a park run left. They forgot to say a park run and a hill, because there's a long hill for this park run. It could easily pass for one of the most difficult park runs that many people would have done. Yeah, the irony of all this, the silence here is very, very loud. And on the right hand side there's a cemetery there. So it's almost like this thing was planned, that all the Chepi folks, when they get here, all that noise is gone. And you pass here quietly, silently, respect those who are resting on the right. Maybe it's just coincidence, but I think it was planned. So other than the cars, you can't even hear the footsteps. That's how quiet it is. So the cemetery is still there, and everyone is still observing a minute of silence. No one is Chepi or talkative. I'm back, but this time I'm walking alone because the team left me. Brigitte is on like some acclimatizing mission. He needs to push his lungs at high altitude and all that. Mitzi, on his part, he just wants to see how far he can go. I think this is 2 months after Comrades Marathon. So those chaps, they're on a mission. And then you have me. I'm just running to finish. I need to ask you why they left that hill out. I was looking forward to that hill for who voted against the hill. So there's a massive hill coming, but we turned left before that. And thank you, she's the one who voted to remove that hill. Like, now, guys, let's remove this hill. 1 Peter 1:23, what does it say? What does it say?
For we are born not of an incorruptible seed.
There you heard, folks. For we are born not
Of an incorruptible seed.
of an incorruptible seed.
Yeah,
There you go.
sure.
Up there after the hill, I'll ask him to unpack it.
Yeah.
For now, just get the best.
Sure.
But after the hill, he'll unpack it for us.
Let's go.
How's it going, bro?
We're pushing. Yeah, this is we're trying to corrupt us.
Yeah.
But because we are incorruptible,
Yes.
we are undefeated.
There you go. Just have to take it easy.
Sure.
Then we will conquer the hills.
We'll conquer.
Yes.
Sure.
Right. Left and we go down a bit. Aid station. Some water, please. Thank you. There we go. Some rehydration. There we go.
Well done, Thailand. Well done. Love you.
Woo! They say water is tasteless. They are wrong. Have you ever tried water at a race? Especially now, towards the end. It tastes so good.
Better than vodka.
Exactly. Oh, that's 18. It looked like 8. I was about to complain. I was about to say, this joke is not funny. Can you see that? It looks like an 8 from a distance. I was about to say, nah, not very funny. Anyway, whew, just when we thought the hills were gone, there's another one lurking around the bend there. It's still a hill, and all these comrades are struggling because they are stalwarts. They are now going past poly shots, and we understand their pain. You know, instead of who's running slowly, it has become who's walking fast. That's what it is now. Come on, guys, let's fake it till we make it.
Let's go and get some smoothies.
Sure.
One in the building.
Paparoni in the building.
Presenting my boy Tebo Boletsile.
There we go.
100 meters.
Yes.
Olympics.
Yes. You know that.
Yeah.
How do you know that runners won?
How do you
You
know?
don't ask them, they tell you.
They tell you,
So there we go.
Let's do this. Almost home.
Yes.
But the route,
And how is it so far?
the route was brutal.
Yeah.
But I'm feeling better now.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Definitely.
The next one you're going to kill it.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's all part of training.
Yes.
We'll get better
Yes.
with time.
Yes. You know, I kind of knew that it was too good to be true when I saw that last down. I thought, okay, we're not climbing anymore. No, I was wrong. We're back to climbing.
Let's go, my comrade. Let's go, my comrade.
The finish! Done. And so I've completed my 21, and that's that sub 230 bus. They look to be way on time. All right, folks, the long and short of it reunited. 21K is the official race. I think we hammered that. I think I finished 2:27.12.
Well done.
Bridget obviously was flying. Bridget, how did the official race go?
The official race was great. I think the 8 stations were amazing. Not that I really needed them, but you know, I could see people were well nourished. You know, oranges, bananas, Maheo, Milo. You know, it was awesome. But my favorite dish were the hills. Nah, the hills were in abundance, guys. I am telling you. No, we got those hills. I know they said altitude, what. I think I got more than that with these heels.
The hills.
Oh,
Yeah.
but it was great. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, brilliant vibe. I think it was a sellout crowd. You know, I thought when the 10 take a left turn will like be few, but no, there was still loads and lots of us. So well done to the organizers for the mobilization. You comrades must be hired by a certain political party to mobilize.
Absolutely. I think, like we said, we are running the street of Joburg more than those other people. We don't know. We're
Yeah.
not going to say much.
So yeah, we enjoyed it. We do not usually rate 21s, but if we had to rate this one, I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
That's a good score.
There you go.
That's a good score.
Thank you, Waterfall City Running
I
Club.
agree.
Is that their name? Okay.
Yeah,
City.
Waterfall.
Cheers. Next year, God willing, we'll
We'll
see.
do it again.
Okay, folks, so the race is over. As usual, we killed it. Now I'm with my brother man here. And I don't know if you can see that.
Runners podcast with Rotoholo.
Did you hear that, folks?
Yeah, it's a Runners podcast with Rotoholo on YouTube.
So please, let's help grow the channel. Please subscribe. If you subscribed here, go and subscribe there.
Yes.
And if you find people that are subscribed there, tell them to come and
I'll definitely
subscribe
tell them
to
to
100 before 40.
Yes.
It's good meeting you, man. It's
Yeah.
always good seeing people that share the same ideas.
Yes.
So all the best.
All right. Thank you guys for coming to our race. I hope you had fun and you actually enjoyed all the hills and the downs and the flats, and especially all our hospitality along the way. Well done and thank you so much. Cheers.